morning. Yes, this is what I look like when I just crawled out of bed. It is an hour later. It still look like this. Waking up is hard. I just want to go back to bed. But instead, we're gonna pamper ourselves. So I'm a part of a test panel, and it basically means every once in a while, sometimes once a month, sometimes once every 2 months, I get the option of getting free stuff to try out and leave reviews. So this time it is 2 masks from Garnier. It is the Haute Chlor Active Pure Active Anti... It's in German, I can't read German, but it's to clean your pores, greasy skin, basically cleans out your entire skin. So the mask has tea tree oil and
something
after one-time use, the pores will look smaller and less visible. And then I also have the another one. This is the Hydrabomb, but I will be using this one later. It said in my instructions that I got from the test panel to use it like a couple days later. I'm not gonna say too much about this one yet. We're just gonna start with the other one, because yeah, apparently you get the best results if you do the purifying one first and then the other one. Let me give you a clear view of my skin. As you can tell, I have beautiful pregnancy hormones that ruined my skin and make me look like a 13-year-old. But it is what it is. Let's see if my skin is gonna look any better after this. And yes, I am still in my robe because I am lazy as fuck today. So, alright, so instructions are: open up, fold it open, apply to a clean face, white side of the mask to my face, leave for 15 minutes. I don't think this one has a protection layer because I don't see it, so... I'm already like massaging it over to apply good. I don't know why instructions say remove protection layer, because this one obviously hasn't. Maybe the other one has. Then we're gonna leave this on for 50 minutes and I look absolutely freaking insane, but we're gonna do what we're gonna do. Make this work and go into my skin. I want to use my roller. A little over 5 minutes and I'm starting to feel a slight itching, irritating feeling. 15 minutes are up, so let's take this off, like massage it one more time. I can really feel that the outside has gotten a little drier than before, so that must mean my skin soaked something up. And now I'm gonna massage it more into the skin, but then without the thing on. So you be the judge. Does my skin look a little bit smoother? Like, don't mind the acne. We know. I do feel like my pores look more refined. Yeah, now we're just gonna wait 2 days before we use this thing. Or maybe 1 day, because I can't wait. It is a couple days later. Yes, somehow I made it through. Normally I am one for doing it and then doing the next thing because I just cannot wait. But I waited. So we are gonna go for the Hydrabomb mask right now. And apparently this is the one that had the protection layer. So... oh, that's soaking with stuff. Okay, this format is a little different. How am I gonna fit it on my face? Alright, so the blue layer needs to come off. I feel like this is it. It is really wet, like it's soaking with product. Oh crap, I didn't give you guys a before of my skin, but it was pretty dryish. I used to, before pregnancy, I used to have a really oily skin, and it's currently just dry and filled with acne. So yeah, that's something I've never had before. So it's a whole experience. I don't know what the use is of this thing. Maybe to sink in the moist. I don't know. The same thing I did with the other mask, my roller. This feels really good, like so relaxing. And now we're gonna wait 15 minutes once again, and then yeah, we're gonna be hydrated. It has been 15 minutes, so let's take this thing off. Also leftover stuff from my brows. Now it's just waiting another 2 days. This is my skin currently. What do you guys think? Does it already look better than before after the other mask, the anti-acne cleaning pore one? I feel like this side, definitely. This side. This was always my good side, but it's still my good side. Alright, we're gonna wait a couple days and I'll see you when I see you. A little update. I hope you can see me. It's a little dark. It is a couple days later, and as you can tell, like, a lot of the acne has left me. Some have come back, but that's normal. A quick look of my face in the daylight. However, after the hydrating face mask, my skin feels so much better, so much smoother. So I highly recommend at least trying them both out one time and giving it a chance, because oh my god. At least if you have acne. If you don't and just have dry skin, then only try out hydrating face mask, because I feel like it really worked wonders for me. So, and that is it. I hope you thought it was useful. If it was, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if not already. And hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. I love you and I hope to see you next time.